Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvashi, and if you're watching my face for the first time, please subscribe to my channel below. And I would be really happy if you follow me on Insta for more personal updates. So let's get started with today's video. So today for my base, if you have watched this makeup look that I would pop up on somewhere on a screen in IV button. So if you will see this makeup look I did today, my base using this concealer from LA Girl Pro High Definition Concealer. And for my foundation, I use this one LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. The combination of these two I use today as my base. So this is my new purchase from Nykaa. So I bought it a few days ago from Nykaa on sale. So I got it from I think 1050 rupees, and I am in the shade nude beige. So this is how the foundation looks like, and as it says, it is a HD foundation. So it literally gives you a really high coverage and high definition look on your skin. This comes with a pump, that is a plus point for me because it is really convenient to use if any foundation has a pump. And also from hygiene point of view, this is the really good thing. This one is a illuminating foundation. As you can see, apart from the highlighter section, the rest of the face is also looking really dewy and glowy. And I only used one layer of the foundation. That I generally do, I only use one layer of the foundation for my skin because I do not have any kind of acne scarring or any kind of deep blemish that really peeps out. So I really use only one pump, maximum two pumps if the foundation is really runny or thin. So this is the kind of first impression and review. So now I'm going to show you the texture of the foundation. So it looks like this. So you can see this is literally high coverage, and you can shear it down like this by using a little moisturizer, and इसमें थोड़ा blend करके आप इसको शेयर कर सकते हो. And you can also build it to complete full coverage. If you had any kind of blemishes, it is going to hide them off because ये buildable है and ये cakey नहीं लगेगा. It has a really runny consistency, and if you have dry skin, then this is a good foundation because it is going to give you a very illuminating effect. I haven't used any kind of illuminator in my base, but you can see how high definition and clean my face looks after using only one or 1.5 pumps. Also guys, you can see how the bronzer and the blush and highlighter and everything sits perfectly on the foundation. ऐसा नहीं है कि foundation move हो गया after applying blush and highlighter and bronzer and everything. वो stay put है, intact है, and it's been I think 6 hours since I have applied it. It does not oxidized on me yet, and I don't think it's going to oxidize because 6-7 घंटे already हो गए हैं. Also guys, this is not going to mattify your base because it says it is a illuminating foundation. So if you want a really mattified base, then you should use a good amount of powder or loose powder to mattify your base. But I would suggest to use this one on your days when you want to look more dewy kind of days. High coverage, it is HD. As it say, it is illuminating. It is kind of mid range, and इसमें काफ़ी सारे shades are. I'm sure you are going to find out your shade in this range बिकॉज ये हर जगह अवेलेबल है, ऑन नाइका, ऑन पर्पल, ऑन अमेजोन इवन. हॉक मेकअप आई थिंक, बिकॉज आई बिलीव LA गर्ल्स एंड मेकअप रेवोल्यूशंस की जो पेरेंट साइट है दैट इज़ हॉक मेकअप, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, करेक्ट मी इफ़ आई एम रॉन्ग. सो येस, हर जगह ये अवेलेबल है एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट इट ऑन सेल टू सेव योर मनी like me. So yeah, now let's talk about the sister Illegal Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. Now I am in the shade Pure Beige. ये मैंने क्यों लिया है? I already have lots of concealer, but I kind of have deep set eyes. So to make them pop out, or to even out the under eye skin, I thought I should get this concealer. So I'm going to show you the swatch of this one. So yes, this is the swatch of the concealer, I guess. And the only thing I don't like about this concealer is the brush applicator that it has. ये थोड़ा messy हो जाता है and also ये कैप में थोड़ा रह जाता है अगर आपने इस ब्रश के ऊपर थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट छोड़ दिया. तो मुझे ये बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है कि मेरे कैप्स जो है फाउंडेशन के और कंसीलर के वो गंदे हो जाए फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर से. आई लाइक टू कीप देम क्लीन. And this retails for $6.95 and you can always get it on sale around 5:30 or 5:50, something like that. I got it from Nykaa for around 5:30 I guess. दो इसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा सेल नहीं होती है एंड ये बहुत जल्दी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है. तो आई वॉज आइंग दिस सिंस वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, बट मैं इसको ले नहीं पा रही थी बिकॉज एज सुन एज आई एड देम इन माई कार्ट इट जस्ट आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जा रहा था. So finally this time I got my hands on this one finally and I tried them both and I really like both of them. And if you're going to be a bride, I would really highly recommend of using these two from drugstore because इससे best base आपको I don't think कि आपको मिल सकता है because this is the day when you are getting married or some event or even wedding look or something. मतलब कुछ ऐसा आपके पास event है करने के लिए, so you can really consider using these two. So I highly recommend these two in your vanity if you're looking for a really nice concealer. And also इसमें आपको color corrector sheets भी आते हैं. If you're looking for any kind of corrector then please check them out. And इसमें वो काफ़ी सारे shades आते हैं, so you are going to get your shades very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you like this one. And if you do, please give this video a very big thumbs up. Please share and subscribe to my channel. And for personal details, please follow me on Insta. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please take care. Stay safe. Bye.